In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a CRM using Clickup and Make.com. This tutorial is designed to guide you through each step, ensuring you can set up your customer relationship management system efficiently and effectively. Let's dive right in. First, we'll need to head over to Clickup, which is known as the Everything app for work. Open your web browser and navigate to Clickup's website. Once you're there, your first step is to click on the Login button. If this is your first time here, you might notice Clickup's interface is sleek and intuitive, perfect for what we're about to do. Now, to log in, we'll make things a bit easier by selecting the Sign in with Google option. This is particularly useful if you want a quick and seamless login experience without having to remember yet another password. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Just select the account that you wish to use with Clickup and you'll be logged in no time. Once you're logged in, it's time to add a new space where our CRM will live. To do this, locate and click on the plus icon. This is your entry point to creating a new space, which is essentially a dedicated environment within Clickup where your projects, tasks, and all CRM specific activities will be organized. After clicking the plus icon, you'll see an option to use templates. This feature is incredibly handy as it provides pre-designed setups that can save you a lot of time. In the search bar provided, type CRM to filter through various templates available. You'll see multiple options pop up, each tailored for different CRM needs. Select any template that fits your CRM requirements. For demonstration purposes, let's pick a sales CRM template. These templates come with their own structure and fields that can be customized further to suit your needs. At this point, click on Quick Use. This will apply the template to your new space, populating it with all the predefined lists, pipelines, and fields. It's a great starting point and you can modify it later as your CRM grows. With your template in place, hover over to the three dots located at the top right corner of your new space. Click on these dots to reveal additional options. Here, you should find an option labeled Rename. Select it to give your new space a name that best describes its purpose. This is where you can add a personal touch, making it easier to locate and manage your CRM within Clickup. By the end of this process, you'll have your own custom CRM set up in Clickup with the power to further customize it as your business evolves. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching and happy CRM creating.